الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على نبيه محمد سيد المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. First and foremost, it is my religious and moral responsibility to greet you with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear audience, today in this auspicious occasion, I would like to shed some light on the topic of Independence Day and freedom struggle. Honorable Principal, respected teachers, judges, friends and dear audience, today as we gather to commemorate the 76th Independence Day of India, our hearts are filled with emotions of gratitude, pride and determination. On this historic day, we pay tribute to the brave souls who laid down their lives and fought valiantly for the freedom we cherish today. I extend a warm welcome to all gathered here to celebrate this glorious celebration. As we celebrate 76 years of independent and incredible India, I extend heartfelt congratulations to everyone here. August 15th holds immense significance for every Indian, whether residing within India or abroad. It is a day of immense pride and patriotism as the Indian flag flies high in the blue sky at our homes and schools. As we raise the tricolor, let us pay homage to the brave freedom fighters who made the ultimate sacrifice in the struggle for independence. Dear audience, it is noteworthy that the caravan of freedom was led purely by Muslims till 1857. Since the power was snatched from Muslims, so they were naturally the first enemies of the aligned government. According to historians, 27,000 Muslims were only hanged to death. Bahadur Shah Zafar was exiled to Rangoon and his descendants were finished off. After the failure of 1857, Muslim leaders changed their strategy. They started building educational institutions across the country to combat the disastrous British policies. As per the new strategy, Maulana Muhammad Qasim Nanotwi and his colleagues established Darul Uloom Deoband to produce a team of ulama to fight for freedom with the British government. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was the hero of India's independence. Through his powerful writings, he heated up the subcontinent with warm slogans of freedom. These are some brief history of Muslims' contribution for the freedom of India. Otherwise, the sacrifices that Muslims have offered to free India from the British slavery cannot be described in a short speech. Muslims were the pioneer in freedom fighting till 19th. Some of the great freedom fighters of India are Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Shaykhul Hind Maulana Mahmud Hassan Deobandi, Tipu Sultan, Shaheed Ashfaqullah Khan, Maulana Hazrat Mohani, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Siraj Dawla, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi ji. They were famous patriots who struggled hard for the freedom of India till the end of their life. We cannot imagine that horrible moment struggled by our forefathers. Unfortunately today, it is tragic enough that Muslims are blamed that they are traitors. Muslim fighters, instead of being paid homage, are removed from textbooks and history. While many in Hindu community think that Muslims have got their share in the form of Pakistan, but they forget that still India has more Muslims than Pakistan or any other country in the world except Indonesia. Dear audience, The purpose to mention these sacrifices is to remind you of our brave past, since it is said that a nation which fails to treasure its history is lost in the darkness of time. Such a nation has nothing that inspires it to face new threats with courage and determination. May Allah keep Muslims of India safe and prosperous, and may India be the most peaceful and flourishing place in the world. We should celebrate this day with a great spirit. We should remember our great freedom fighters. Let's all work together to make our country the best country in the world. Let's celebrate today with great joy. Thank you. Happy Independence Day.